as our students know, I love a peacock, and every year since 2013, I've been telling our students that this is the year of the peacock. We are finally going to nail our peacock, and we're all going to be doing peacock on our Christmas tables on Christmas Day. And so far, I would say just a handful of people have been able to master their peacock. But we don't give up, because 2025 is also going to be the year of the peacock. How to do the pose, how to set up. The first thing is your elbows need to be either side of your belly button. That's the first step. Now you can find videos of practitioners that use a strap to tie their elbows in either side of the navel. That's the first thing, because when you go down, you want your arms acting as a shelf to keep the weight of your torso. Elbows either side of the navel, just there. It requires you to round there, just there. Second thing is your hand position. The kind of traditional hand position is this, where my fingertips face my knees and my palms are flat. Now, I can't do that. My forearms are way too, some people would say tight, I'd say toned and developed. Okay, it's incredible strain on my forearms, but I can do this hand position, which I learned from one of the girls that used to work at the studio back in the day. Just that. Props a shack for this one. There. My fingertips touch each other. There we go. And then I round my back to get my elbows either side of my belly button, and I'm going to rest my head on the ground. Okay? I'll come further forward so you can see that. Rest my head on the ground. There. This might be enough. And then come out. That might be enough. And often when I've taught it, some people have found that, okay, that's enough for today. And then over time, they've got comfortable with that and moved on to the second part. So understand that what you need to do is find the point that works for your body for now. What point is enough? What point is enough that if you repeat over and over again will get you to the finished pose? It could just be this, it could be that, it could be this. And then you do that. So you lift and you rest your belly on your elbows. And then you look up, you see my feet are still down, and you go forward, and you go forward, and you go forward, and you keep going forward, you keep going forward. Realise it's quite hard to talk whilst you're doing that. You keep going forward until your feet come off the ground. If I try to lift my feet too early, it wouldn't have worked, because my weight distribution would have been all wrong. It's all about weight distribution. So you take your head off the ground with your feet down. So if I take you through that again. Feet down, there, head up. Or head down, feet up. That's a bit harder, there. And I keep going forward, look, until my feet start to come off the ground. Very difficult to talk and demo that. Keep going forward, keep going forward. When the feet start to come off the ground, you've found your center of gravity, you've got your weight distribution right, and enlightenment is just around the corner. Drop me an email, let me know how you get on. I'd be fascinated to see. You can even send me pictures and tell me how your peacock is getting on. If you want to learn more, you can reach out. You can check us out at akramyoga.co.uk. You can have a look at our online CPDs and our teacher training. I'm Zahir, and I hope to hear from you soon.